Want to know how I went from basic to baddie? You're going to want to sit right there in your seat. So, first and foremost, welcome to my channel. I'm your girl, Lovely Asian Lady. L to the A to the L. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So we're doing makeup. I actually recorded this look for you loves. So y'all dolls, sit right there in your seats so we can get the show on the road. We're doing a little bit of a shimmer, a little sparkle, a little something sexy because I got my leopard print on. Yeah, I'm a mix y'all. So anyway, let's do the video.
Hi lovelies, I'm applying Pixi Beauty's Rose Ceramide Cream to moisturize my face. And now I'm going to mist my face with Pixi's Glow Mist. It's very nourishing and refreshing. And I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera. So I decided to use my Jacklyn Hill Morphe palette today because it's pretty neutral. I'm going to start off by applying buns to transition. I'm going to just blend that out with Silk Cream. Okay, so now we're taking the color Roxanne and popping this beautiful shade in my crease. Applying Central Park to my outer V. And the color is pretty buildable. Now going in with Soda Pop to add dimension and give it a smoky appearance. Adding a little more Soda Pop to make it stand out more. Now it's time to blend that out. Could have used tape, but we'll clean up with concealer shortly. This is a Pixi Endless Shade Stick in the color One and Done. I'm applying this to the lid to have that glittery, smoky look. It glides on so smoothly. Doing the other lid, it's basically a base instead of using concealer. I'm going to apply Pixi's Liquid Fairy Lights in Mirage. It's like a gold glitter. Ooh, look how sparkly and pretty. Let's do the other eye. Just bringing that brown and glitter together a little. Popping this color Creamsicle to my brow bone area just lightly. Let's fix these under eye circles with Juvia's Place Concealer, number 11. I love the formula. It glides on and blends well with the sponge. I'm going to spray my sponge with WetnWild Photofocus Primer Water. It's the rose kind. I absolutely love the smell. Just using my sponge to blend out the concealer. I'm taking this lighter concealer from my local BSS to brighten up a little more. Ugh, can't help but make these ugly little faces while blending. Instead of foundation, I'm using my MAC Cosmetics Blot Powder in Dark. It's more on the translucent side, but it's great for setting. It gets everything looking seamless even if I skip foundation. And it also helps me not look too oily. Using this black Radiance concealer stick, which is dark enough to contour with. I'm contouring my cheekbone region, my nose, and my forehead. Time to blend this contour like nobody's business. Most of these brushes are bespoke brushes that I ordered on Amazon. They're really soft, but I love how they make makeup application so much easier because the brushes are just so nice. Like I really like the way they feel and they blend really well. Blend, sis, blend. I like that it's sort of creamy, but a little bit of this goes such a long way. You don't need a whole lot of this product. And I decided to only lightly contour my nose. I'm using this orange shade from this Juvia's Place Saharan palette. Ooh, looking like a tangerine, y'all. I'm not really going to bake, just define and set today. Just pressing some in and dusting off the excess. I ordered this eyeliner stamp set from Amazon. It comes with one for each eye. You just stamp the outer V and then finish lining. It's pretty much all you do. Trying to get that angle right and boop, there you go. Not trying to make it too thick. I'm using Pixi Glowy Powder in Fetch to highlight. Just a light little glow. Gotta get that nose and Cupid's bow. Lining my lips with this burgundy lip liner. Applying Pixi Matte Last Liquid Lip in Coral Bane. It's so bright and pretty. It has a very nice formula too. I love these lippies. I'm just using this gold metallic Revlon eyeliner to line the bottom. I went on and popped on my lashes, and I got this little skinny wand mascara from Amazon for my teeny tiny bottom lashes, y'all. It really helps to get those little hairs, like to catch them and make them stand out.
Alright, my love. Hopefully y'all like the look. Let me know what y'all think. A little bit something smoky. You know, once again with a little bit of shimmer, a little sparkle. Sugar and everything nice. I really am glad that y'all joined me today. And I hope that you have already joined the LAO fam, that you have subscribed and tapped on that alert bell so that you won't miss out on none of the action. You can see all my uploads and you won't miss a beat. But y'all got another video to watch. Y'all gotta watch the wig review that I'm doing next. So I love y'all and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Later.